Hello, my dear parents. Today, I want to talk about the importance of assertiveness in children. I'm Commander Bimal Raj, founder of Insightful Parents. I'm an internationally certified trainer and an executive coach and a teen parenting mentor. Now, when you look at some children are naturally assertive. And remember that assertiveness is learned best and most from home, from parents. These children who are naturally assertive, they have no issues for standing up for what they really believe in. But at the same time, there are some children, they find it a lot of struggle to do the same thing. They find it difficult to hold their opinion. They keep shifting opinions. They are not able to say no to others. And like I said, it is very important that we as parents teach assertiveness to our children at a very, very young age, because the children who lack assertiveness, they are very, very prone to any kind of bullying, cyberbullying, and any other kind of offensive behavior from others. They get exposed to it and they become vulnerable. Now, the other extreme of assertiveness is being aggressive, where they force their thoughts and opinion on other people without their consent. And they even manipulate other people without any kind of compliance from others. Now, remember that one of the highlights of assertive people is that they're very comfortable about sharing their feelings, and they will just not lie down and become a doormat, and they will stand up and defend for themselves or for somebody else when they feel that some injustice is being done to them or others. The important point is that they don't need to yell to make or shout to make their point clear. Remember that it is when someone's confidence is low that they end up shouting and screaming. Assertive people are gentle and firm. Like I said, it has to be learned at home as parents. So one of the first things you need to do as parents is to be assertive. That is the best way to teach your children. Don't be somebody who shouts and yell at your children, but at the same time, you should be able to convey something gently, lovingly, but firmly, and at the same time, hold your ground. All right. Thank you.